Alrighty, Sharp Customs. We're rolling. It's a Saturday. I got a couple coupes sitting here. Yeah, we're not doing roofing like the last video. Haven't really heard anything back from my my pops about whether it leaked. We have had quite a bit of rain. Haven't really heard from them. That's probably a good thing.
No news is good news.
No news is good news, exactly. We got ruby red. Yeah, we got a little bit of glare coming through the window. Camera girl is, she's trying to get away from the glare. We got ruby red. You know all about ruby red. That's just what we call it. It's a oh man, it's a gorgeous car. Wide fenders, got the headlights on it, got some tail lights on it. Haven't had this out in a bit, but hey, we know it rocks. It needs a little, you know, a little tweaking here and there. Needs something to fasten down the front of it, definitely. Now, this is a brand new build. You got to see some of the chassis. The chassis. I'll pull the body off. Yeah, I work pretty quick, I think. You know. But yeah, this is the narrow stock fenders, as you can see. We got some pretty wides on the back. I just got some like 2-inch foams on the front. It's pretty basic. We got leaf spring in the front. I got this little cow catcher. That's what I call it. It's a cow catcher bar on the front that helps support the front of the body. I did a totally different type of I-beam in the front. Yeah, I got the leaf springs kind of zip tied on that bar because I haven't made the shackles yet. There's a little bit, you know, there's some movement there, but you don't, with these cars, you don't need much. The majority of these cars, we got some good suspension in the back, but the majority of these cars, you know, I scratch build these, and I use other components. I've got the Rayco, you know, gearbox. I've got a G23. Now I'm going to show you something over here. I got my Jackrabbit, my old Jackrabbit here, and I swiped a bunch of parts off it. I swiped the carburetor, I swiped the servos to put on this car because I got plans. As much as I love this, you know, being my first Rayco car, I've actually got plans for this for an upcoming new build. Now, obviously, this body, I've got it laminated together. I've got the cab done. As far as the grill and the hood, it's just I just got some clear tape, kind of holding it on there for now. And yeah, this is just the all kind of stock. I am gonna chop the roof on this for the person that this car, this is a request car. This was requested to be, you know, fat tires, low to the ground, chop top, and that's what I'm gonna do. You know, when somebody asks me to build them a certain, you know, quarter scale hot rod, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not sure about the paint yet. The paint, I was inquired, he mentioned a Tequila Sunrise paint job. I'm not 100% on what a Tequila Sunrise paint job is, but I know it's kind of like a sunset, more or less. But we're going to take this, we're going to walk out the garage door, and we're going to go give it a, we're going to give it a little test run. across the street in the parking lot. I know I said I was not going to use that parking lot, but I was already over there earlier, about an hour ago, and you know what? I will let you see it. I'm going to hand the camera girl the radio, and I'm going to open the big door. We're going to carry this out, and we're going to go across the street. We're going to fire it up, and we're going to do a test run. It's a gorgeous day in southern Ontario. The last couple of days been very windy, like just crazy wind. Alrighty, let's go. This will only take a minute or two. Camera girl wants to come out in her bare feet. I'll close the garage door. That's why I put that cow catcher bar under the front of this. So I got something ruby red. I can't pick it up like this. You know, this thing's, you know, we're talking, oh, I don't know. This one's actually a little bit lighter. I don't know why, but everybody hasn't taken in their garbage bins yet. It's kind of convenient just to be able to walk across the street and have a big old asphalt parking lot to, you know, test these things in. Kind of cool. Yeah, it's a little dirty. This body's got to be all sanded, you know, and then probably some fillers. Still got to make a latching system for the front. We're going to turn on the transmitter. We'll plug in the... when I was over here earlier, I had a little bit of glitching. I don't like this this old receiver. It was doing some weird stuff, and then it kind of cleaned up its act. That's all I can say. It cleaned up its act. I put a different spark plug in it. I hope it fires right up. That's what I like. I like it when it fires right up. A little rattle. I meant to put some foam tape on it. Just kind of rushing, just so we can get some get a video out to you guys. But it's not very loud, and I'm gonna stay close to the camera because it is still a little windy. So let's it's a sweet little car. Look at that nice 34 Coupe. It's a little, you know, much narrower than Ruby Red. And if I turn super tight, the rear will chatter. But how sweet is that? Quiet. I like it. Not echoing like crazy off the buildings. Whoa, see, there you go. And if I want to go wild with it, there we go. We'll do a little test run here. We'll just punch it. It'll go. They always rip. You know my stuff always rips. Once it's all painted up nice, it doesn't have much roll to it. Kind of handles super nice. know, you just cruise. These things are way overpowered. I don't care what anybody says, you know. Just put the brakes on, slide it out. I love that. I love sliding it out. Let's bring her in close. I love whipping donuts. You know me. They're custom. You know, Donut King. It's a nice looking little ride. Once it's all painted up, got a little fakey motor in the front. I was thinking it was going to be a little tipsy-turvy, just because it's a little narrower, but those big fat wheels on the back, nice little 2-inch foamies in the front, that they just make it happen, man. It's a nice cruiser too. Like, you just want to cruise it, like, you know. And what really blows my mind with, you know, these quarter scale builds that I build is the fact that, you know, it's gonna look gorgeous once it's all painted. You know, maybe some windows in it, some headlights on it, some door handles, maybe some door hinges, you know, all detailed, basically all detailed out. And the thing is that this thing is probably just going to sit on somebody's shelf. Like, that's, you know, I look at what I can do with it, driving it. Well, I can drive it. It's pretty good. It's a nice car. It's quiet too. That's what I like about it. It's nice and quiet. You know, I got there's more work to do with it. I don't want to finish it, but a little trimming on the windows, headlights, tail lights, all that crap. A little fakey motor in the front. Maybe not even a fakey motor. Maybe just side panel on the hoodster. Let's do some more donuts, and then we'll call it. How about that? Ruby red. You can see this brand new build, all mostly scratch built, other than the components I used to put it together. I'm not going to turn it off because I'm going to drag it back. I'm not going to carry it. There. Yeah. Hope you like what you see there, Mr. Vic. A few more weeks. Have it all buttered up, painted, shiny, you know. It's a sweet little ride if you want to run it. I gotta do some more donuts. Oh, that was close. I think what's happened here is we've lost an axle. Definitely lost an axle. I just know how these things work. It's out there somewhere. We've lost an axle. Yeah, we've lost the right side axle. I can already tell. That's a cool looking car. Okay, love the black wheels with the white. Yeah, I was gonna drive it back to the HQ, but I gotta go look for an axle. And they're little short axles. You know what? Maybe you guys want to come for the walk. Why the hell not? Let's go for the walk. Let's go for the walk. It's got to be here somewhere. Let's see. Let's see if we can find it. We'll just do a quick little look. Can't find it, but I know an axle's missing. How do I know an axle's missing? Because I already lost one today, because I don't have the retainer clips to keep them in. Everything flows down to the bottom. Don't want to lose an axle. They are hard to come by on those, and I had to custom make those ones. They're about a 2-inch axle. Before we do too much searching, let's pull the body off. Let's have a look. Maybe something else is on the mark. All I can think of. Oh, the camera girl found it. There you go. There's the dog bone. There's the axle. I was right. Oh, look at, yeah, I got black paint on my hand. So that's the dog bone that I had to shorten. Look at how tiny that thing is, eh? I knew it was an axle. I ain't no dummy. There you have it, man. Sharp Customs. You know the routine, man. Love to bring you guys content. Love to read your comments, and yeah, we need to get more out there. We've been really slacking. Maybe my fault, but you know, just busy with other stuff. But there you have it, man. You know the routine, you guys, man. Freaking, I'm gonna say it. Share, like, subscribe. And don't forget to comment, man. I love to read people's comments. I was a little slack on the last few comments, but love you all. Peace. On to the next.